have a DT approach on LCD technology, right? So basically LCD, it refers to liquid crystal display technology. Earlier starting from the oscilloscope, vacuum tube oscilloscope, CRT screen, and recently we have now come to evolution of LED, and then now comes the LCD. So this has been used as a widespread approach in all the platform, not restricted to a specific domain, right? So we'll have a design thinking approach on how come this LCD technology has given up in the recent development stages, right? So there are 5 stages in design thinking, starting with empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So today you people will be taking each one a role on this 5 topics, and let us begin our discussion.
And Tani, I'm going to play on the role empathize. So my role empathize is nothing but the first stage in design thinking, and it's about to understand the people's or users' problems, emotions, and feelings by standing on their shoes. Here, the major problem faced is the people face difficulties with the cathode ray tube display. So basically, cathode ray tube is very bulky, heavy, and it is not portable, and it causes eye strain due to long usage, and it causes high heat and release high heat and consumes high energy. So users like students, doctors, officers, and engineers need display monitors which is thin, user-friendly, safe, and it should be energy efficient and safe also. So by realizing these difficulties, engineers developed a device monitor called the LCD liquid crystal display technology.
So hello everyone, I'm going to take upon the role of define. So it is the stage where we can clearly understand what is the problem is. So the problem statement is, so how can we design a display system that has a lightweight, energy efficient, safe, and able to produce clear images for electronic devices. The system should use low voltage and produce less heat, reduce radiation, and should last for a long time. So it should also work in both the devices like small and large, calculators, and even in televisions. So this clear problem statement helps the engineers move toward electro-optical display technologies instead of traditional electron beam technologies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tilayarisi. I am going to speak on the role ideate. I am ideate. I propose solution to solve the display problem and explore technologies like plasma display, LED display, and liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal were interesting because they can change their position when electric voltage is applied. This gave a new idea. Instead of creating light, we can control light by placing liquid crystal between polarizer using backlight. Engineers created LCD technology, and this idea helps to make a thin, energy efficient and high quality display screen used in many electronic devices. Thank you.
I'm Yoganila. So my role is prototype. So I'm going to talk about the prototype. So prototype is nothing but we are going to create a model which we concluded by planning in the define stage. So here engineers create a LCD panel structure. So the prototype mainly consists of an LED backlight unit, 2 polarized placed perpendicularly, 2 substrates with indium tin oxide, liquid crystal layers, as well as thin film transistor array, and some colored filters including colors like red, green, and blue, etc. So whenever an electric field is applied, so these liquid molecules gets aligned that allows the light transmission through them, as well as the main pixels are subdivided into 3 subdivided pixels for the color transmission. So mainly prototype is mainly used to check the response time, contrast ratio, energy consumption, durability, etc.
So hello everyone, I am going to play our role on testing. So we all know what testing is. So testing is the part in which we actually test the prototype, whether it is giving the desired output what we needed. So in our part, our topic is LCD. So we all know what is LCD, and we are going to test the LCD. So we take LCD instead of LED because LED has like Tati said, LED is not portable for everything, and there is some of cathode ray tube, which is very weak. So it is not portable in all things. While coming to the television, we need very thin and very contrast colors, which would attract people to buy the television. So we come to the LCD. LCD is LCD has very contrast colors and different unique pixels in that. And we test this part using in wide angles and in many different angles. We go and check it whether the contrast colors are visible in that angle. And then we also take the LCD because of its low power consumption. So this part is successfully tested using the LCD.
So we had a good discussion on the LCD technology, how it plays its role, starting from the comparison of the earlier CRT screen, then coming back to LED, where LEDs is, as rightly said, as LEDs cannot be utilized for all the areas of the platform, right? So, but LCD is being used in the wide area, starting from your basic handheld mobile phone devices to huge industrial process and automation systems also, right? So, thank you.
Thank you.